Namba mar ote machuok en 3-6-0 kao kamano bende wayudore mbui duto mag oganda yudwa kanyo Ramogi TV e mbui go duto nyalo telono ote mari koluwo mbui kata koluwo namba mar ote machuok nyinga Simfrozo Kinda jaloko marwa en Belinda Phillips. Kawachako ni familia mar mosenindo Cyrus Jirongo oyange kaka jal mane onge koda kwede kendo ne ohero ji duto maromre kabendo pare kaka jal mane chunye ler kendo jachiwo. Ma oyange kinde nyasi mar alam mane obagi ne ringre e boma ma Nairobi kama moko kuom josiasa wacho ni nitiere dwaro mondo tim nonro matut ewi weche maliekore ewi tho mar jaod bura machon no mar ng'eyo ni en ang'o mane onege. Lydia Okeyo ni kod ler.
Ne en nyasi mar alam ne ringre jaod bura machon malugari Cyrus Shakalaka kwa Jirongo. Nyasi mano obagi e kanisa ma Sitam Valley Road e boma ma Nairobi. Familia mare opare kaka jal mane chunye ler kendo ne ohero ji duto ma onge akwede kabende giyange kaka jal mane ohero ji kendo ne okonyo ganda mano chando.
Our father was a good man at heart. Like all men, he had his shortcomings. He was a man of extremes, extreme generosity, extreme compassion. I'd like to go back to a time when we used to run after you after lunchtime so I can get a lift into town. I want to wake up early to find you before you go to work, sitting in the office, drinking black tea, so I can ask for 1K for the week.
To the world, you are fearless, bold, and courageous, unpretentious, and unapologetically honest. You spoke the truth without hesitation, and people listened.
He was a man who loved, who worked hard, who laughed, who dreamed huge, who cared deeply for those around him. He was dependable, kind, and present when needed.
At 3 o'clock, 3:20, when I got the call, I was still awake, trying to make sense of what I was feeling. I saw his call, but when I picked, it was not him. Someone asked me if I knew the owner of the phone, and I told him, yeah, that's my husband. I asked where he is, if I could speak to him. But they told me that he's been involved in an accident.
Josiasa mano yore nyasi no pare kaka josiasa mane chunye tut kendo ne jambola kabende oganda maya edho Abaluya otiyo gi thuolno mar kwa oganda go mondo mi obedi tuch achiel mana kaka Jirongo ne dwaro mar neno ni ok gidong chien e weche mag dongruok.
The greatest honor we can bestow upon this man is to fight for what he fought for most, Luya unity, the unity of the Mlembe nation. And in so doing, we must rise above our petty politics.
We mourn a great man, and particularly in the Mlembe nation, the best way we can give him tribute is what Eugene said, let us unite.
Jatend bura mar PLP Martha Karua oyango ne Jirongo ne otho ndalo machuok bang' chich ne ngimane ne ni kamarach kendo ne ogeto redo arita mare. Bende koro gidwaro mondo mi tim nonro matut e weche maliekore ewi tho mar Jirongo kaka yor yudo adieri ni to en ang'o mane onege kendo golo paro machando chuny oganda ewi thone.
We were planning on collaborating moving forward. It's not going to stop. I say aluta continua. Cyrus had concerns about his safety. He was actually making arrangements to better secure himself. This accident came before that time.
I want to support George Khaniri, Senator. We need to have thorough investigation on everything that is questionable. It does not presume guilt on anyone to have thorough investigation. And I offer to buy the torch, Khaniri, in that respect.
The circumstances surrounding the death of my brother are mysterious. There are so many glaring gaps. We are told that he was in a head-on collision with a bus that was Busia bound. A bus going to Busia certainly was carrying Luhya people. Tell me which Luhya does not know Cyrus. I have not seen a single passenger come and say, yes, I was in that bus that collided with Cyrus. And yet we are told it has 60 passengers on board.
Jirongo ne owito ngimane masira mar apaya manotimore apaya maya Naivasha kadhi Nairobi, kama nyamburko mare ne oradoe gi bas mating'o jowuoth kendo kelo tho mare. Oweyo chien nyithindo 22 kod joutene 3. Ibiro ike dalane mantie Lumakanda, Lugari e kaunti ma Kakamega tarik 30 dweni. Lydia Okeyo, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.
Wadhi nyime ni ogai mar ODM Oburu Oginga ochwalo